Hello all, welcome to Know Your Medicine, an initiative by Librate, your personalized health companion. In this video, we are going to discuss about Saridon tablet. We will be discussing elements like why it is used, to whom it is prescribed, its consumption, and various side effects. Before starting with the theory, let me tell you a brief about this tablet. Saridon tablet is a mild analgesic that helps in the treatment of fever, headache, and pain. It acts as a mild painkiller, helping to reduce pain in many conditions. The tablet activates the central nervous system of your body, providing quick results. The major ingredients of the tablet include paracetamol, caffeine, and propyphenazone, which together activates the adenosine receptors, increasing the pain threshold and the blood flow in the body. This medicine is generally prescribed during headache, fever, muscle pain, and arthritis. One can experience side effects like skin rashes, nausea, stomach pain, or loss of appetite. Saridon tablet is usually consumed when the patient feels the need for it. Warning: please do not take this medication without consulting your physician.